girl Mila B, and welcome back to another video. So today we are talking about the apps that you use on your cell phone that you are able to download, use, and edit all your video content. So without further ado, let's go get into it. The first app that we're going to talk about is InShot. Now, I am a pro member, so I pay $14.99 a year for InShot. I am on their yearly subscription, or if you want to do a monthly subscription, it is $3.99. Being a pro member comes with so many perks. You are able to overlay videos. You are able to overlay pictures. You can add your logo. I mean, InShot is perfect for any type of video content. It gives you the dimensions for a thumbnail, for an Instagram post, for Instagram story, TikTok. I mean, they have all the dimensions that you would need for other apps already in this one specific app. You can speed it up, you can slow it down, and within the app, you can also add some really cool effects to it, or you can add a filter to it, and you can have some really good creative transitions. Also in InShot, you are able to add your voiceovers and add music to your videos. I love this feature. I've been using the voiceover feature for a while now because you are able to watch the video and record your voice at the same time. It's not just for videos. You can edit, make collages, and do everything with photos within this app. You can put filters on photos. You can just go to town with editing photos as well. So it's not just a movie editor. It can also be a photo editor as well. I've been using InShot for quite some time. It is my go-to. I love InShot. It is my go-to app for a lot of different things. The only way to get these really cool transitions, effects, filters is if you are a pro member. If you are just using InShot, the basic free version, you're not gonna get a lot of the perks that the pro members have, so I definitely recommend purchasing it. But InShot is the app for you. The next video editor app that we are going to talk about is Mojo or Mojo. I'm not quite sure how to pronounce it. I pronounce it Mojo. It could be pronounced Mojo. I don't really know. But I'm a pro member with that as well. It is $9.99 a month. I'm a monthly subscription member. Or it is $39.99 for the year. So whatever fits your budget, you can definitely purchase this app. Now, what is Mojo? Mojo is a creative, very interactive, engaging app that you are able to create stories on. So it's anything vertical. There are so many categories that you can choose from as a template. There is the headlines category. There is the shop now category. There is the sports category. There is the minimalist shopper category. I mean, these categories are so endless, and like I said, they're templates. So you can definitely pick one that you like and then tweak it. You can keep the template the same. You can change the colors. You can change the pictures. It's really up to you. But once you choose a template, you are able to then either add photos or add videos to it. And they have some really cool transitions within it. You can add your logo to it. You can add whatever information that you want to plug into it. So Mojo's great. Mojo's great, especially if you are a product-based business. They have some really cool templates. Also, what I like with Mojo is that you can add music to it as well. So, of course, you can upload your creation into Instagram and add whatever Instagram trending song. But if you didn't want to do that, you can also pick from their music collection to add that song to your story. So those are the two apps that I use to edit my video content. Sometimes I even create a video story in InShot, upload it to Mojo, use it in there, download the final product, and then upload it to Instagram. So you can definitely use both of them to your advantage and to create some very beautiful content. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, or even if you use different video editing apps, let me know. I'm definitely down to try other new things. With that being said, you guys are ready to do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'm gonna catch you guys in my next video.